Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
On Chinese New Year's Eve, Hakka people prepare for the annual family reunion dinner by preparing 10 special dishes, including cold chicken, which symbolizes good luck for the next year. Dried bamboo shoots symbolize getting a promotion, while a kind of braised pork dish is eaten in hopes of a long life with many children.
Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊哥 Leo。Hello，
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling Lim Zap Siu. All right, Leo is here to tell us more about traditions that you can find with Hakka people around Chinese New Year's. 除夕一直是很重要的。
錯啊，客家話很多年三十。
年三十。Okay, so again, this is the day before New Year's, not just New Year's Eve, but the entire day of New Year's Eve. There's a lot of things that the Hakka need to do. 比如說有什麼呢？
一大早開始，
一大早，
我們就要第一個就要拜天公，拜天公。
拜天公哦， so you got to pay respect to the gods.
是，拜完天公之後呢，就要準備要拜阿公婆。
阿公婆哦，就是阿公跟阿婆嘛，是？
不是啊，
不是啊，
那是拜祖先啊。
哦，拜阿公婆
是
阿公婆 is actually 整个祖先就对了。all your ancestors 全部的，那可能是就是天亮以後才要做的事情就對了。
錯啊，各位拜完阿公婆過後嘞，就是然後我們就要開始準備煮很多很多的菜。
Okay, so again, the Hakka start their New Year's Eve day at midnight, all right, 12 midnight, they pay respects to the gods, and then later on, when it's morning time, around maybe 6 or 7, they start to pay respect to their ancestors, and then throughout the whole day, they have to prepare for a meal when they welcome all your family members back to the house, basically. 所以到晚上就要吃一頓年夜飯了嘛。
錯啊，當然啦。食飯的時間一定要準備當道菜，個菜其中會有準備雞。
雞哦，會有雞是不是？
對，會有雞。
There's always chicken.
雞就問客家親傳統的用的雞醬，蘸那個雞肉很好吃啊。
They use the chicken, they always have chicken, and they dip it into this orange sauce, basically. 雞醬就對了。
對，雞醬，雞醬。然後呢，還會準備筍乾。
Okay, that's bamboo shoots or dried bamboo shoots. 為什麼要筍乾呢？
是因為一個諧音跟那個升官有點像。
Oh, that's true.
筍乾，很蠻像的。
蠻像的。Okay, the reason you want to have dried bamboo shoots is because when you say it out in Hakka, it sounds like you're getting a promotion. 跟升官聽起來很像。Okay, there you have it. That does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.